Are you among one student who felt that 11th standard math, you have to study a lot? The volume is huge. You're not alone. Most of us, even when I started my 11th and studying math, I had the same feeling. In this video, we are going to discuss how exactly to tackle this problem. Long back, we had a student who was planning to change his stream from math with science to commerce. And when we inquired what exactly is the matter, he said math in 11th is huge and he's not confident enough that he will be able to do good with it. So, on a safer side, he decided to quit. So, we had a conversation and we told him a strategy: connecting and learning, or we also call it stacking one over the other. Stacking something what you have learned in the previous grade or in the previous chapter with attaching it with what you are going to learn. So rather than me just giving a lecture on it, why don't you watch a video where we have already shown you how you can learn using a real life situation and connecting it with an abstract topic. We're doing it again with relation today. We're going to connect that with something which we have learned in the previous video, which was sets and power sets. So you will understand how we connect relations with sets and subsets and power sets. Go ahead and watch the video. We'll talk after that.
Cartesian product. So we're going to learn today the concept of Cartesian product and relation with a real life example. Cartesian product. Cartesian product of A and B is equal to A cross B equal to the set of all ordered pairs xy such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So the concept is very simple. You got to write all ordered pairs where the first element belongs to the first set and the second element belongs to the second set. Now, if you consider a situation or example such as Rohit is getting married to Sita. Now, let's take the set A as Rohit's family, which consists of Rohit, denoted as capital R, Rohit's father, small f, and Rohit's mother with small letter m. And set B as Sita's family with S for Sita, Sita's father as capital F, and Sita's mother as capital M. So when Rohit gets married to Sita, you could see that these families gets related to each other. That is, Rohit gets related to Sita, Rohit gets related to Sita's father, Rohit gets related to Sita's mother, Rohit's father gets related to Sita, Rohit's father gets related to Sita's father, Rohit's father gets related to Sita's mother, and Rohit's mother gets related to Sita, Rohit's mother gets related to Sita's father, and Rohit's mother gets related to Sita's mother. So now, listing out these elements, the cross product A cross B is going to be, as we have seen, Rohit related to Sita, Rohit with Sita's father, Rohit to Sita's mother, Rohit's father to Sita, Rohit's father to Sita's father, Rohit's father to Sita's mother, Rohit's mother with Sita, Rohit's mother related to Sita's father, and Rohit's mother related to Sita's mother. So this is the concept of A cross B, where you could see that the first element of each of this ordered pair belongs to the set A, and the second element. Now, moving to the next concept, relations. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pairs in A cross B. Now suppose if we have a relation R from A to B defined as R is equal to the set of ordered pairs XY such that X is married to Y. Now, as per this relation, we could see that there is only one mapping over here, that is Rohit is married to Sita. So R is going to be Rohit is married to Sita. There is only one element. Some of them will be confused over here. In this, please understand that you will not consider the case where Rohit's father is married to Rohit's mother, or Sita's father is married to Sita's mother. Why? Because this relation is from A to B. That is from Rohit's family to Sita's family. So there is only one element in this relation, which is Rohit related to Sita. Now you could see that this RS, the ordered pair, is a set contained in A cross B. So a set contained in A cross B, we have seen in the previous slide, that is called the subset. So we can say that R is a subset of A cross B. So whenever you learn, always learn connecting the things what you have learned before so that you can remember the concepts and apply them easily. So if you have a doubt with subset, please check the link below of the previous slide. Now, over here, we need to understand certain concepts regarding relation. The first is domain. Domain is the first element of the ordered pair of R, and R stands for the relation. And over here, the first element of the ordered pair R, we could see that it is Rohit. So the domain is R. Now, codomain. Codomain is the entire second set, that is Sita's family. So that is going to be Sita, Sita's father, and Sita's mother. And next concept is range. Range is the second element of each ordered pair of the relation. The second element, we could see that that is Sita, so that is S. So this is how we find the domain, codomain, and range. Another concept, that is, if the number of elements in A is P and the number of elements in B is Q, you could see that the number of elements in A cross B is going to be P into Q, which is clear with this example, as we have 3 elements in A and 3 elements in B. So you could see that you are having 3 into 3, 9 elements in A cross B, which is, so you can count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the concept here. And the number of relations possible, as I've told you, relations are the subsets of A cross B. So relations is possible will be 2 raised to P into Q. This is using the concept we have learned in the last slide. That is, we have seen that if the number of elements in A is M, the number of elements in the power set of A, which is the possible subsets of A, is going to be 2 raised to M. Please check the previous slide for this concept. And so, using the same concept, the number of relations is going to be, since number of relations is the number of subsets possible, that is going to be 2 raised to PQ.
Hey, how was it? Did you enjoy the video? Wasn't it amazing? The technique which we have discussed today is to stack one over the other, connect with what you have learned before. We have more techniques to reveal. Stay tuned, and moreover, there is a link given below, which is my personal WhatsApp number, where you can inquire about the math workshop which you're going to conduct on 10th and 11th of this month, September 2022. Okay, so do you have any inquiries regarding the workshop? Please feel free to chat in this number. Thank you.